Here are some types of cough along with their causes. 1. Dry, non-productive cough, a cough that is not accompanied by phlegm or mucus. Causes can include upper respiratory infections, allergies, asthma, or certain conditions such as chronic bronchitis. 2. Wet, productive cough, a cough that is accompanied by phlegm or mucus. Usually occurs due to viral or bacterial infections in the respiratory tract. 3. Paroxysmal cough, a cough that occurs suddenly with force and is often difficult to stop. Causes can include respiratory infections, asthma, or other conditions like whooping cough or croup. 4. Chronic cough, a cough that lasts more than 8 weeks. Causes can vary, ranging from lung diseases like asthma and chronic bronchitis to more serious respiratory conditions.